I'll guide you through buying crypto on Coinbase, from setting up your first verified account to saving over 80% on fees by using the Coinbase Advanced interface. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, open the Coinbase app or website and sign up with a secure password, then immediately enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app to protect your digital assets. Complete the mandatory identity verification by uploading a clear photo of your government-issued ID and providing your social security number to unlock your account's full trading and withdrawal capabilities. Link your primary payment methods such as a bank account via ACH for free deposits, or use a debit card for instant purchases if you don't mind the higher 3.99% transaction fee. Search for your preferred cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum and tap Buy if you're making a small one-time purchase. If you want to pay significantly lower fees, typically around 0.60%, switch to the Coinbase Advanced. If you plan to trade frequently, subscribe to Coinbase One for $4.99 a month, as the basic plan offers zero-fee trading on simple buys for your first $500 of volume each month. Check the USDC rewards section after your purchase to see if you are eligible for the 4.70% APY on your idle stablecoin balances, which is paid out monthly to your Coinbase account. Review the preview buy screen carefully to see the final exchange rate and the total cost of your transaction before you click Buy Now to finalize the order. Monitor your Assets tab to track the real-time performance of your new portfolio and ensure your purchase has been successfully credited to your Coinbase wallet. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.